Hello guys, good evening. Now we are going to discuss a question on capacitors. Here 12 capacitors, each having a capacitance C, are connected to form a cube. Okay, just like this configuration. Find equivalent capacitance between the diagonally opposite corners such as A and B. Here you have A, here is your B. Now you need to find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Let us, he has given that all of them are having same capacitance C. So C, all of them are having same capacitance. Now let us let us name these corners, like he has given C and D here already. Let us name E here, F here, G here and H here. So all the corners are actually named just for our convenience. Now if you look at these points E, H and D are just one capacitance away from this point A. So definitely, because since they are actually at one capacitor away, all these D, H, E will be at the same potential. Okay, so you can just assume, you can just see that D, H, E will be at the same potential. Now from B, G, C, F, G, C, F are actually in the same potential. Okay, now you can actually redraw the circuit by considering D, H, E and G, C, E are at the same potential and A and B are at different potentials now. Okay, let us consider A is here and another point where you have D, H and E, another point where you have G, C and F, the last point which is B. Now if you consider, let us just take each and every capacitor and strike it off. Now let us consider A and E between one capacitor is there. So this capacitor I am drawing it here. Okay. Now you have another capacitor between A and H. A and H, one more capacitor. So you can draw one more capacitor between A and H. Very good. Next, this A and D, one more capacitor. Now let us take this capacitor. This capacitor is in between C and D. C is here and D is here. So just draw that capacitor here. And now this capacitor is between B and C. Where is B here? B is here and C is here. So you can take one more capacitor connected this way. Now this capacitor is in between B and G. Where is B? B is here, G is here. Next, this capacitor is in between B and F. Right? Now this capacitor is in between E and F. E is here, F is here. Very good. Now this capacitor is in between G and E. Where is G? G, E. Now this capacitor is in between D and G. Where is D? Here. G, here. Now there is your this capacitor between F and H. F is here, H is here. This capacitor which is between C and H. C is here, H is here. Now how many capacitors are completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All of them are completed. Now you can find out the equivalent capacitance. All of them are having C, 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 right? So 3 capacitors connected in series parallel. So then you are going to just add them up, isn't it? C equivalent when they are connected in parallel, C1 plus C2 plus C3. If it is connected in series, then 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 and so on. Okay, of course if more are there. Now all of them are actually the same capacitance and connected in parallel. So this equivalent capacitance will be 3C. Now this equivalent capacitance, 6 capacitors are there connected in parallel. So just add all of them, C plus C plus C, 6 times C. Now here this is nothing but 3 capacitors are there, so 3 times capacitance. Now this 3C, 6C and 3C are in series. Once they are in series, you have to use this formula, isn't it? So 1 by C equivalent between A and B is nothing but 1 by 3C plus 1 by 6C plus 1 by 3C. So if I take LCM, it will be 6C. Here 2 plus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5 by 6C. So C equivalent will be is equal to 6C by 5. So this is the answer. Thank you.